What it do, baby boy?
Subliminal mind, America. Welcome to a new kind of tension all across the alien mission.
Around you there again and suddenly you're gone. I wanna get to know you but I don't know who you are. Yeah, you're the kind of girl who make me start to lose my mind. I wanna get together but you're oh so hard to find. I see you when I'm at the Starbucks and you're walking out the door. I see you when I'm at the movies when you're leaving the store. I need an opportunity, there's something I wanna ask. I never seem to ever get the chance. What's your name, what's your name? Oh, I really wanna know. You got me going crazy and I want you more and more. Oh, hey, this could be something real. I gotta let you know the way I feel. What's your name, what's your name? Oh, I really wanna know. Cause every time I get there, but it's right before you go. Oh, hey, if only you could see. I wanna get to know you and then get you knowing me. I see you at the mall, you're hanging out with all your friends. I'm really gonna make my move, you go before I get the chance. You know you got me tripping, thinking about you day and night. But I can't get to know you if you don't